Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be looking at dollar yen as the price has already broken through last week's low. If we take a look at the price action forming here, we've talked about this for the sort of past couple of weeks, the fact that the market had a really strong impulse to the downside, and now we've just been kind of correcting in this slight uptrend in here. But pretty much we're working within this previous high and low. Now that the market is breaking below this last week's low, we could see this market being used as resistance just through there. So if we do get a rejection of sort of last week's low, we may be able to look for short-term trading opportunities. If we go down to the daily time frame and just take a look at the price action that's going on here, again just to highlight, we've got this really nice sort of channel forming here on dollar yen. And we can see that last week price failed to break out of these previous structure highs. You actually had the false breakout with the market creating a very clear reversal pattern in here. So the low there is the one that we're going to look at, because if we get two daily closes below this low, it shows us that the daily trend is actually changing, which could then signify to us that the weekly is entering an impulse phase, and that we could see prices come back down to these previous structure lows in here. So the way I would look at this is if I go up into that weekly time frame and just zoom right in, I'm going to place a line at the weekly low, which right now is 109.32.4. So if I just come onto here, go into parameters, move this to 32.4, that is the current last week's low. Okay, now if I go down into the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is just breaking below that area now. Now what I'd want to see, like I said, is a couple of closes below this low so that we could potentially trade off of it for a continuation to the downside. So that's what I'm going to be watching for here on dollar yen. Now price is breaking to the downside, we can look at some resistance levels. Just to kind of add another resistance level to watch, we can look at last week's close as well. So if we look at the candlestick, what I'm looking at is the information just down here. If you watch where I move the cursor, you can see that we highlight the candlestick, and down the bottom there we've got the open, high, low, close. So looking at the close, we need 109.534. So we've already got the 109, so I'm just going to round it up to 534 in there. And this area could also act as resistance. We can see that it's acted as a little bit of support and resistance recently just through here. So what we could look for, if price is going to ignore the weekly low, we can look for price to pull back into that level, look for those reversal patterns at 109.53.4, and look for those short opportunities. So keep that in mind on dollar yen. We could start to see yen gaining a little bit of strength by the looks of things on the weekly price action. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you're alerted when a video gets posted on our channel. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.